All right, guys, I cannot wait for you guys to try my famous chocolate chip cookies. If you have been to the racetrack, if you've been to my house, chances are you've probably had these bad boys. Today I'm sharing with you my chocolate chip cookie recipe so you can make them at home and you don't have to call me anymore for them. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Be sure to visit marcirenee.com for the complete recipe. All right, so the first thing we are gonna do, we are going to melt some butter. I used to do this with 3/4 of a cup of butter, but we accidentally made an accident one time making this, and it's actually better and a much softer cookie with 2 sticks of butter. So go ahead and place them in a very large bowl. We're gonna make all of this in one bowl. Pop this in the microwave and get it melted. All right, now that the butter is nice and melted, we are gonna add 3/4 of a cup of regular granulated sugar, and then we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and we're gonna mix that real well until the butter actually soaks into the sugars. All right, now that the butter is in here and creamed with the sugar, we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 egg and then 1 egg yolk. And then to your egg, you want to add in about 1.5 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. All right, now that the butter, the sugar, the eggs, and the vanilla extract are mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and add in our baking agent. So I do 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, and then a little bit of salt. Because we are adding, we use salted butter to the mixture, you really don't need a whole lot of salt. All right, now that that has all been add in about 2 cups, 2¼ cups. It just depends on how soft you like your cookies, but I do about 2¼ cups of flour. All right, now it is time to add your chocolate chips. I do about 2 cups of chocolate chips. All right, now that we got our cookie dough made, we're gonna scoop it out. And I usually do about 11 cookies on a cookie sheet. All right, now we are going to pop these in a 325-degree preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to visit marcirenee.com for the complete recipe.